Hi everybody, Michael Mowbray from MoLite, introducing you to one of my favorite new products in the last couple of years. Probably my favorite product since we introduced the Roly Moly a couple of years ago. It's the MoPro Rolling Studio Stand, and what I like about it is it's the ultimate in flexibility for a rolling stand. One of the problems we've had with rolling stands in the past is they're too tall for anybody who's got a normal 8-foot ceiling height in their studio. Well, the new MoPro has multiple sections that can be added or removed. So you can have it at 98 inches, which I have right now because I have high ceilings here in the studio, or you can have it down to 78 inches. It's going to fit in any 8-foot ceiling room. You can take out another section and get it down to 52 inches. You can take out another section and get it down to 28. So very easy to do. All these sections are unscrewable, so pretty quick to put in and take out. Also, we include 2 pistol grips because a lot of people ask to have 2 pistol grips. One if they want to do butterfly lighting or paramount lighting or beauty lighting. You can put a light up on top, raise it up here. You can put another light down here for uplight. You can put an extension on here if you want to put on a curved reflector. So there's a lot of flexibility in this. Plus, oh look, easy to roll around. And if you want to take it on location, let's say you're a volume shooter that photographs sports or schools or something like that, this will all come apart and then the legs fold up. So it fits down to 25 inches. So you can fit it into a case very easily, take it out on location. Just takes a few minutes to set up, done, ready to roll. So literally ready to roll. So again, very excited about this new rolling studio stand that we have, the MoPro Rolling Studio Stand. Of course, it comes with multiple spigots, 1/4 and a 3/8 on the bottom. Very easy to switch it around. You just unscrew it, put it in. One other thing we thought of, what if you need to put it in sideways? There's a hole to do it that way too. So we thought of everything, I think. You know, if we didn't think of something you thought it should have, let me know. Maybe a future iteration will have it, but I think we've got everything thought through on this. Oh, and by the way, it comes with a camera plate too. So you can swap out the spigot, put in a camera plate, put on your favorite tripod head or ball head. Now you can use it as a camera stand. And you can take a standard laptop table that will connect to any spigot and put it down here. So if you want to shoot tethered, you can put your laptop here, you can put your camera here, and now it's a camera stand. So it's a light stand, it's a camera stand, it's both. So we believe in trying to maximize your investment when you're investing in MoLite products. This is how we do it. Ultimate flexibility. It's the MoPro Rolling Studio Stand, only at MoLite.